Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all of you healthy and okay. So dear friends, today I have topic what is the conditional statement in C language. So dear friends, conditional statements in C programming are used to make decisions based on the conditions. So dear friends, conditional statement execute sequentially when there is no condition around the statements. So dear friends, if you put some condition for a block of statements, the execution flow may change based on the result evaluated by the condition. So dear friends, this process is called decision making in C. So dear friends, in C programming, conditional statements are possible with the help of the following two constructs. Number 1, if statements, and number 2, if else statement. So dear friends, it is also called as a branching as a program decides which statement to execute based on the result of the evaluated condition. So dear friends, in this video you will learn that what is a conditional statement and if statement and relational operators and the if else statement and conditional expressions and next if else statement and next else if statements. So dear friends, first of all, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, so please subscribe my channel by which you all got updates of next video. So dear friends, now start video. So dear friends, our first topic is if statement. So dear friends, it is one of the powerful conditional statement. If statement is responsible for modifying the flow of execution of a program. If statement is always used with the condition. The condition is evaluated first before executing any statement inside the body of if. So dear friends, the syntax for if statement is as follows. So dear friends, the following program illustrates the use of if constructs in C programming. So dear friends, the following program illustrates the use of if constructs to check equality of two numbers. So dear friends, now I explain relational operators. So dear friends, C has 6 relational operators that can be used to formulate a Boolean expression for making a decision for and testing conditions which returns true or false. So dear friends, number 1 operators less than and number 2 operators less than or equal to and number 3 operators greater than and number 4 operators greater than or equal to and number 5 operators equal to and number 6 operators not equal to. So dear friends, remember that the equal test is different from the assignment operators equal because it is one of the most common problems that a programmer faces by mixing them up. For example, so dear friends, keep in mind that a condition that evaluates to a non-zero value is considered as true. For example, so dear friends, now I explain the if else statement. So dear friends, the if else statement is an extended version of if. The general form of if else is as follows. So dear friends, the following programs illustrate the use of the if else construct. So dear friends, in C programming we can use multiple if else constructs within each other which are referred to as nesting of if else statements. So dear friends, our next topic is conditional expressions. So dear friends, there is another way to express an if else statement is by introducing the question mark operators. So dear friends, in a conditional expression the question mark operators has only one statement associated with the if and the else. For example, so dear friends, our next topic is nested if-else statement. So dear friends, when a series of decision is required, nested if-else is used. So dear friends, nesting means using one if-else constructs within another one. So dear friends, let's write a program to illustrate the use of nested if-else. So dear friends, our next topic is nested else if statements. So dear friends, nested else if is used when multi-part decisions are required. So dear friends, the general syntax of how else if ladders are constructed in C programming is as follows. So dear friends, by using nested else if statements, let us see the actual working with the help of a program. So dear friends, I hope all of you understand that what is the conditional statement in C. So dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that you will get updates of next video. So thank you.